Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. To all my subscribers, sorry to make you wait that long for some new videos. So as told in my last video, I plan to modify my workbench as a welding table. The idea was to cover up the workbench and to add an area with possibilities to clamp parts, but look, you will understand. The cover is made of 1.5 millimeters of steel, bended on the edges to allow a perfect fitting. I had those sheets cut out by a laser from a specialized company in our area, and also the folding has been made by machinery. As you see, the fitting is perfect. The clamping part is made of 3 millimeters of steel. The 20 millimeter holes have been cut out by laser as well. The result is absolutely amazing. You see as well the perfect folded edges. To stabilize the whole thing, I screwed a 38 millimeter beech plate to the steel plate. My old Ryobi drill had to go through that beech plate around 55 times. I thought I would need a new drill after that job, but no, it survived. You all might think adding wood to a welding table is not a good idea, so yes, you are perfectly right, and I'm completely aware of the danger, and I do not recommend to copy my idea for safety reasons. To support the clamping part, I got on with one Paulk's idea. I only added one tube. Here you see how the clamping part should be positioned. It was quite tricky to build the three supports, but I managed to add adjustment screws to allow a perfect alignment of the clamping part with the rest of the bench. There you see one of the leveling screws in detail with the fixing bolt to avoid unwanted movement. Build completed with no burning marks on the wooden parts. I'd like to clarify that I'm totally aware that you should not be close to wood while welding and grinding, so no comments needed in that direction. Looking forward to see new videos around wooden and metal builds. A next project that is coming up, my new dust collection system. You will find a link in the description. Thanks to all the YouTubers who share their videos. Without them, we would not be able to improve in our builds.